See green dot here?
Everybody's in my room. What song should we sing?
Green dot. Oh, down below.
You know what?
Now it's recording us, and this makes it move. And if you have to tilt it this way,
Okay.
Well,
just
maybe
record
I'll
it.
just sing a song.
And you be ready to help
Stirring and
Jesse if there's a
stirring
problem.
our
It's recording now.
music time, right?
No, it's not music time.
Everybody's in my room.
No, just make sure you kind of like.
It's party!
No, it's not party time.
What would happen
It's
if
not
Jesse?
party time.
Party!
Boys and girls, wait.
Would somebody
Wait 1 minute now, boys and girls. Just listen carefully. If you've been to our school before, you know that many times we have special days. And many times on those special days, we have special plays. Now, who remembers the play about the Christmas tree last year? Well, who was the star of that play last year?
Is that the one where we decorated you and we put lights
Yeah,
on
and
you
you sang "Oh Christmas Tree."
I remember that one. That was good. That was fun.
Well,
And you cleaned everything at Big Green.
we have a wonderful play this year.
We do?
Yes.
A party play.
Linda and I have decided
Is this a Halloween play?
it's a Halloween
Oh.
play. You're very short.
No.
Linda and I have decided that we voted Big Linda to be the star of the play this year.
Me? I'm gonna be the star? I'm gonna be the star! Oh! I really wanted to be the Christmas tree last year. I really wanted
No,
to.
but you're not going to be a star, the star.
What does that mean?
That means that you're the head of you're the main attraction of the play.
I had the biggest
The
part.
biggest part.
I'm ready. I'm really good
Now,
at this.
I have to tell you that some of the boys and girls in my class especially, they don't like scary things for Halloween.
You like scary
Right?
things? I'm not scary.
So we're not going to make you scary at all. But we are going to put something on you to make you the lead part, to make you a special
What?
star.
Well, wait a minute. What am I going to be?
Well,
Nick?
we thought about it, and we thought about it, and we thought about it, and we decided that we wanted it to be something a little scary. Just a little teeny tiny bit that could be scary, but something that really isn't scary. In fact, sometimes I heard they can be friendly, like Casper the Friendly.
Casper the Friendly.
Who said that? Who said that?
Oh, all right, Cal.
Ghost. You know,
I'm gonna be a friendly.
First of all the children in my class know, boys and girls, should we be afraid of a ghost? Why not? Pretend.
Good, man.
Right, so we're pretending that. So, but we want to dress you as a ghost.
Wait a minute.
Now,
Ghosts will wear orange and black.
No. Hey, we should have made you a pumpkin though, because pumpkins are, but too late, because you're going to be a ghost.
All right.
Now, I don't want you to be too scared.
Okay.
So, I brought, I knew I brought it. I brought a special
Ghost
costume. Now, I don't want this on your head, because you'd scare me if it was on your head.
That looks like a sheet. Did you take that off of your bed?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I did.
But I
it's
have
clean.
to wear a sheet?
Yeah, it was washed.
A sheet?
Ghosts wear sheets,
Now,
right?
Linda, please don't put this on your head because that might frighten me.
Okay.
Even though I know you're pretend,
I won't put it on.
I don't want it on your head.
I
So
promise.
what you're going to do is you're just going to drape it over your body like that, you know. And wait, it's a little short. Wait, it's a little short here.
What are you doing?
Just like that. Now let's see.
I need my arms.
Oh, you need. Wait a minute. Do ghosts have arms?
Sure.
Yeah.
That's how they fly, right? Don't they fly like
They
this?
do?
Sure. This one does.
Let's see. Well, you look a little unusual. Well, all right. Wait, we'll
You look
worry about
like
that.
It's good.
Now,
Do I look like a friendly ghost?
does she look like a
Smile
ghost?
on, yeah. Okay.
Does she
She's
look
got
like a ghost?
pumpkin earrings.
She's missing something very important.
A head?
Yeah.
Ooh, a ghost
That
head.
head just doesn't look like a ghost head.
I think we should get
But
some
I don't
white
want to put a
paint.
mask on you because I don't like masks.
Your masks are scary.
No.
White paint. We can white paint all over her face. Oh, no, you're not going to paint my face. No,
We can try chalk. Who's got some chalk?
No, you can't put in chalk on my
Flour.
face. I'll get some flour from the kitchen.
Ooh.
No, that'll make me sneeze. No.
Fear not, I came prepared. You see, I don't like it when masks cover the face completely. So, I just drew two scary, but really not scary, ghost eyes. And we're going to put these right on here, right here. Good.
Good ghost eyes? What do you think?
Did I do a good job making ghost eyes? Now she's looking rather
Ghosty.
ghosty. Now, wait, she's a little uneven here.
Can't see the black because ghosts don't have black.
Get yourself organized. Let's start.
I'm ready. I think I just look fine.
Straighten this down.
Ghosts don't do hiccups.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm ready to be the ghost.
But what's that noise coming out of you?
What noise?
Hiccups.
Ghosts
Hiccups?
Hiccup, do they?
Ghosts don't have hiccups. You have to get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, all right.
All right.
Oh, wait, hiccups. Okay, I'm ready.
Now,
Okay, is this look better?
Linda, hold it. Linda,
Yes.
you must get rid of the hiccups. You can't be a lead part in the play as... Linda,
Yes.
you must get... Look, all right. Linda.
I won't let any out.
All right, now, all right. Linda, we're going to leave this room for 1 minute. When we come back, would you please make sure that your hiccups are gone? We're going to give
I'll
you
make
the
them
chance
go away.
to get rid of
All
all
right.
these. Come
All
on,
right,
Linda,
wait a
let's
minute.
just leave for a minute.
Please go away, hiccups. Come on, hiccups, go away. Come on. Come on, hiccups.
Drink some water.
I think they're gone. I really think they're gone.
Hey, you have time?
Are you ready for hiccups? Yes, they're gone.
Oh,
good. They're gone. Okay, that's good.
All right, now just stand up here. Hold it. Excuse me, you were saying something?
That wasn't a hiccup. They're gone.
Boys and girls, are her hiccups gone? All
I
right, look.
tried. I really
You have to
tried.
think
Can
of
I want to
something
be
to
the
do.
star? And I
All right,
tried.
all right.
I tried
Wait,
so hard.
Linda. Do you have any idea how to get hiccups? What do you do? Wait. Water. Wait, water.
All right. What are you doing?
Get some water and let it drip. Oh,
Drink water. Okay, good. All right.
don't worry, Linda. Hold it. Let me get some water.
All right. I know I'm not going to be able to be the ghost in the play. This is going to work. I know I'm never going to.
Don't worry.
Here's some water.
We've got it.
All right. Now, what does she do now, Nick?
Drink it all up.
Okay, go ahead.
Drink it.
I'm not thirsty.
Drink it anyway.
I have to.
It will make the hiccups go away.
Oh, good.
Oh,
They're
good.
gone.
Thanks. That felt great. Another glass?
A bigger one?
A bigger one?
Yeah.
More water. Go get it. More water.
Big one this time? Go ahead.
Sugar.
I'm not going to be able to be the ghost.
You've got to get now. Pull yourself together here. Pull yourself together. You've got to get rid of these hiccups because this is the star part. You got a bigger glass?
Bigger glass. Okay. All of it, Linda.
No,
Not
no.
all of it.
You ready, guys?
I'm not thirsty. Do you want to be the ghost? All right.
Come on.
Drink
All at once.
all the
Ready?
way down. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Drink.
How about the biggest? Wait a minute. Maybe you put a little sugar in it? The biggest with a little sugar in it.
More water and a little sugar.
Candy.
Don't worry, Linda. It's going to be all taken care of. But I want to be the star. But you have to, I'm too short to be the ghost. You have to get worse. How much you want to show me? How much? This much? This much? This much? I don't know. I think Pam's going to get you some. Look at this.
The biggest.
Okay.
The biggest and a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
Wait.
Pam,
Now,
I'm not thirsty.
Linda, I'm real sorry, but you have to get rid of these hiccups. Now look, this is full all the way to the top. You can't come up for air. You have to just keep breathing, drinking and drinking and drinking. All at once.
Think she can do it?
No.
Okay? You ready?
Okay, Linda. 1,
2,
3.
paper bag that makes the hiccups go. You want to try it?
You're gonna put a bag over
Well,
my head?
just a ShopRite bag. It doesn't do anything.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
All right, you need a paper bag. You know what's a paper bag?
All right. I really want to be the star, so I'll try it. I even have a Halloween paper bag. Now,
Oh, perfect. The Halloween.
right over her head?
Right over her head.
All right.
All right.
Now,
Now,
breathe.
wait.
No.
I heard something else.
What?
I heard that while the paper bag is on your head, you have to sing a song.
What song? We need a hiccup getting rid of song.
What
Who
song
knows
should
one?
she sing?
Goodbye, hiccups.
Well, let them.
I do. Go away, Hiccup.
Do
Maybe
you know
they could help me
Goodbye?
sing it.
You know Goodbye Hiccups?
Yeah, I know.
Go
All
away,
right.
Here we go.
Hiccup.
All right, ready? First, she has to do it by herself, and then we'll join in. You ready?
1, 2, 3. Goodbye, hiccups.
Goodbye, hiccups. Goodbye, hiccups. We're glad to see you go. Maybe we need to sing it a little faster because I don't think it's
Okay,
working.
one more time. Ready?
Goodbye, hiccups. Goodbye, hiccups. Goodbye, hiccups. We're glad to see you go.
Oh, no. No water, no sugar, no honey. I'm not going to get to be the ghost. I knew it.
Oh, wait, I know that milk trick, and the milk trick is the same as drinking water. It's just drinking, and that didn't work.
Uh-oh.
Wait a minute.
Hand on your head.
Do you have that in your head?
How about
Wait, little Linda has an idea.
I heard that if you take a feather and tickle the person, it gets rid of the hiccups.
I think I heard that.
Should
Did
we
you
try
hear
that?
before?
Yeah.
I never heard that.
Let me go find a feather.
Okay, do you have a feather? You have to tickle the person with a feather.
Oh, a feather! A blue feather. Okay, tickle the person's nose, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nose. Nose.
What?
Nose.
The nose?
The nose.
Oh, okay. The nose. All right, wait, I can do that. Clara, can you come up and tickle her nose for me because I'm having a problem?
All right, everybody listen. Shh.
It worked. Oh, this is great. It worked. Listen, it worked. Listen.
Oh, no.
It didn't work. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Don't you have any more ideas?
I remember.
What? Another
I
idea?
remember once reading in a story.
All right.
You know, one of those.
Chicken.
It's kind of like a chicken, only you have to hop on one foot.
Just 1 foot, though.
On one. Yeah, like this.
Do you have to sing while you're
Can you
hopping,
do
or
that?
just
No,
hop?
no, just hop on one
How long
foot.
do I have?
Well, we have to count to 20.
20 hops.
Yeah,
One
can you do
foot.
that?
Try.
You ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Listen.
Oh, yes, it worked.
Good idea. Yes, Pam. All right.
No.
Oh, no. Some very persistent hiccups here, guys. I'm going to get to be the star of the play.
I have another idea.
I have another idea. You want to hear my idea? How about if she should whack like a duck? Whack like a duck? Whack like a duck. Go ahead, let me hear it. That's going to work? Guaranteed. And now listen, this is going to work. I'll try it.
Linda, the boys and girls are telling you that's not a duck sound.
What? How does a duck sound?
without the quacking like a duck.
Right, okay.
But you couldn't do it while you were standing on your feet. You had to stand on your head.
Oh, no.
Oh,
No.
do you want to be the ghost?
Well, I really want to be the ghost, but I don't know how to stand on my head.
We'll help you.
We promise to help?
You put your head on the floor. Here. On the nice.
Suppose I fall.
We'll catch you. We won't let you fall.
will we?
No. Don't go like
Brendan.
Like this.
We won't let you fall.
Wait.
Would you like us to get
I got
something to
something
keep your
soft in
head
my head.
soft?
I don't think I like this. I do it all.
Okay. Look at this.
Wait, how do I do this? Put your head down.
Yeah. But you know, we don't want it to be too slippery. Let's just slip right out from underneath us. Why don't you go
My
this
head.
way in case you fall or whatever? You don't hit the kids.
Put this way.
No, this
I
way.
don't want to do this. My head.
Can she do it?
Yeah.
You can do it.
Linda. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Now wait a minute. Wait, put her down. Wait. Excuse me. Oh, wait a minute. Excuse me. Screaming. No. Screaming. Screaming doesn't help. You need to stand on your head and quack like a duck.
But I was scared. We're not going to let you fall.
We're not going to let you fall.
I'll try it one more time.
All right.
All right.
There, go.
Quack. Set it up.
Keep quacking. Would you hold your feet still? Hold your feet still. Come on. You were supposed to hold your feet still.
Are you okay? Quack for us, will you? I don't think she's got the hiccups anymore. Let's listen
I think
and
it
sing.
worked. Oh, no. I know the problem. I know the problem.
Boys and girls. Wait a handstand. Wait a second.
I know the problem. It wasn't a duck. It was a dog. You were supposed to bark like a dog.
Not on my head.
No, none of the head.
All right, wait, I'll try that. I'll try anything because I want to be the star of the play.
Okay, bark like a dog.
Meow. That's a cat. I got it. Ruff, 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 ruff. Amanda. Wait, ruff. Anybody hear any more hiccups? Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, sorry, Eric.
Yes! We did it! I can't be the star.
Linda,
I'm leaving.
just leave.
Somebody else
You're just going to have to be the ghost. Next year, maybe.
year to work on getting rid of the hiccups.
I'm sorry, Linda.
See you next year.
You know, I really feel bad for Linda.
Me too.
Do you feel bad for Linda? And wait, you know, I heard someone saying something before. I heard someone yelling out, scare.
That was me.
All right,
I think
Joe.
it's something.
Might that work to get rid of the hiccups?
Yeah.
I got an idea.
Listen, Amanda, sit down. We're gonna get another ghost to scare with another ghost.
Why don't we all squeeze together
I
under this
will.
big sheet?
I will.
We'll make one giant ghost, and we'll call her in, and when she comes in, we'll all yell, "Boo!" Okay? Everybody, now look, you just have to get together in a big, go on the spider web, go on the spider web.
Everybody fit in the spider.
Everybody stand inside the spider web. No, bend over, that's it, stay tight
you
together.
got it. Good.
You got it, guys. Everybody get tight together. Come on in. Amanda, come in, squeeze tight like sardines in a can. Okay, now, all right. Boys and girls, But don't run, because ghosts are pretend. They're not real.
It was
Said
us.
And you're right, it did, and it was very big. But you know what it really was? What?
Kids underneath the sheet.
Right.
It was us.
Oh, who's all your friends here?
We were just trying to frighten you.
Pam? Pam?
Vera.
Pam? Little Linda? Are they gone? Did it work? My hiccups are gone! Yeah! Now I can be the star of the show!
Linda?
Is it time to have the play
Linda,
now?
Linda,
Can we do
Linda,
it now?
wait, Linda.
What?
I have some bad news for you.
What?
It's time for us to go back to our classrooms. We missed the play.
I'm not going to be able to be the star?
It took too long to get rid of the hiccups.
Maybe next year.
Oh, well.
Hey, wait. You know what, Linda?
What?
You really were the star of the play.
I
We
was?
had a different play. We didn't know we were going to do that.
But
Look,
You, we had a